Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I'm going to try to show you how to make this and several different ways you can make it. But we're going to take a three-sided polygon, which is a triangle, and not hold down the control button. Now you have to go to object and convert it to a curve because it's a triangle, because if you don't, all the nodes will move. So I'm going to actually hold down the control button. The control button will help you keep it kind of in line. Now I'm going to take another 2-point line and I'm going to kind of split my triangle in half. And there's several ways to do this next step. I'm just going to take a 2-point line, make sure it's big enough. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and I'm going to move that over just slightly. Now I'm going to group these together, Control G, and I'm going to just manually rotate it just a little bit. Now I need 2 on each side.